Hello guys, welcome. It's your boy Kluber.
Laser engraving opportunities are on the rise, and so is the accessibility of laser technology to DIY creatives and small business owners. In Cameroon, companies like Kali and a host of others have come in early to take advantage of this creative market space. I recently got my very own laser engraver, and in today's video, I'll be letting you guys in on how even I intend on kicking off a thriving business around my 5.5 watt laser engraver. This is the first of a series of videos on my laser engraving journey. Let's go. Laser engraving is a process that uses a laser beam to cut, etch or mark the surface of various materials like wood, acrylic, glass and even metal. Think of it as drawing or writing on this material with a superb, precise and powerful beam of light. A laser engraver gets input from a computer which runs a program like Laser GRBL or Lightburn, which has input images or files of formats like NC, BMP, JPG, PNG, DXF, just to name a few. Now let's talk about the fun part. What exactly can you create with a laser engraver? The possibilities are endless. Here are just a few. Personalized keychain, a perfect gift for a souvenir, custom signs for home decoration or business branding, jewelry or unique pieces that stand out, engraved glassware, beautiful and functional items for special occasions, art pieces, intricate designs that showcase your creativity. And that's just scratching the surface. With a bit of imagination, you can turn almost any idea into a tangible product. So what exactly makes the engraving such a great business opportunity? For starters, it is a highly customizable and versatile craft. You can tailor your product to different markets, from personalized gifts to corporate branding. Plus, the startup costs are relatively low compared to other manufacturing processes and other small-scale manufacturing businesses like 3D printing businesses and CNC machining businesses. And the profit margins can be very attractive. With a growing demand for unique custom-made products, a laser engraving business has a lot of potential to thrive. Now here's my strategy for making money with a laser engraver in 2024. Making and sharing. By making, I mean I'll be designing and creating unique products that cater to various markets, from custom gifts to practical items. The goal is to explore different niches and find what resonates with the market. Sharing. I'll be documenting and sharing my entire journey right here on this channel. Whether you're a fellow maker looking to start your own laser engraving business or just curious about the process, I'll be providing tips, tutorials and insights every step of the way. By combining these two elements, I aim to build a sustainable and profitable laser engraving business while helping others do the same. So what really have I done so far? So first things first, I got myself a KentokTool 5.5 watt laser engraver. I'll be sharing the unboxing, the setup and my very first impression of my 5.5 watt laser engraver in the next video. Let's continue. The setup was pretty easy. The installation and user manuals are just awesome and pretty clear. I did not have to watch a YouTube video to put this one together. If you are not new here, you probably know I enjoy cutting out letters amongst other things during the weekends, and I have always had difficulties getting certain cuts to a desired level of precision. I've even abandoned a lot of cool projects before because the jigsaw or the router wasn't just getting the cuts done with as much finesse. With the laser engraver, this definitely was going to be a problem of the past, and boy was I eager to see the differences I was going to make for myself. The results so far have been quite impressive for a 5.5 watt laser engraver. Here are some of the cutouts and engravings I've been able to do. After cutting out the house, I thought to myself, you might as well go all the way. So I took out my staining gloves and went to staining. With a bit of cabling and lighting, I had this. My very first simple laser cut product, ready for the market. I shared it with a couple of friends and every single one wanted something done for them. And the best part, they were willing to pay for it. I really did not need this much reassurance about the market potential of laser engraving in the creative space. But I guess positive feedback is vital for everyone who decides to venture into any creative space. With all doubts out of the way, thus begins my laser engraving journey. I will update you guys through the shortcomings and the successes of it all. And your support and feedback will definitely keep me going. Anyways,
It's been your boy Clover, guys. Like and subscribe for more. See you all in the next one. Thank you.